Hey everyone, let's talk about something that confuses almost everyone using the Temu Free Gift. Why does it trigger for some people, but not for others? And more importantly, can you actually trigger it every time? Short answer, you can't force rewards, but you can control the conditions that make it appear. And that's exactly what I'll explain in this video. Before we jump in, I've placed the working Temu Free Gift code right here on screen. You'll also find it in the description and pinned comment, along with backup options I keep updated. Now let's clear up a major misunderstanding. Myth: free gift is random luck. Most users believe Temu Free Gift is pure chance. Random appearance hit or miss not exactly. Temu typically shows free gift opportunities when specific triggers are met. What triggering actually means. Triggering doesn't mean guaranteeing a free item. It means activating the free gift interface, entering promotional float, making reward system visible, becoming eligible for offers. That's the real goal. 1. Start with the correct entry context. One of the biggest factors, how you enter Temu. If you open the app casually and browse like normal shopping, Temu may stay in standard retail mode. Instead, use the first link in the description. This signals promotional entry before your browsing session begins. 2. Avoid conflicting sessions. Temu sometimes behaves inconsistently when multiple tabs are open, app running in background, interrupted activation, rapid switching. Clean session equals better trigger reliability. Tip: close Temu. Completely reopen fresh after activation. 3. Engage with promotional elements. Free gift systems often respond to event banners, reward sections, featured promos, gift-related UI. Ignoring promotional surfaces equals fewer triggers. 4. Timing matters. Promotions rotate. Trigger chances increase during new campaigns, seasonal pushes, special events, fresh code cycles. Old sessions during quiet periods may show less. 5. Use updated codes. Only expired or recycled codes. Fail silently. Don't trigger events. Cause confusion. Always test fresh codes. Screen/description. Reality check. Important. Even with perfect steps, rewards are not guaranteed. Gift values vary. Availability changes. Region matters, but trigger reliability improves dramatically. Interface activates more consistently. Fewer nothing happened moments. The real strategy. Instead of chasing guaranteed free stuff, focus on correct entry, clean sessions, active promotions, updated codes, proper timing. That's how experienced users get repeat results. So if Temu Free Gift feels random for you, try optimizing the triggers instead of blaming the code. And if you've managed to trigger it consistently, comment below. I'd love to hear your experience.